Hello Scorpio, this will be your rest of the month reading for September from today to 30th of September 2021. Sun, Moon, Rising and Venus. If you have in your birth chart in Scorpio, then this is the reading for you. Please keep in mind that energy can go vice versa or interchangeable. So take it however it resonates with you. If this resonates, please like, share and subscribe my channel King of Cups Tarot. And if you like to book a personal reading with me, you can email me. Email ID is given in the description box. Let's start your reading. Four of Pentacles, the Fool, Death and Rebirth, and the Chariot, Strength, Six of Cups and King of Swords, and Five of Swords bottom of the deck. This is so. First of all, I will tell you about the signs present here. Signs are Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, Aries we have, Leo we have, and Sagittarius we don't have. Any other sign? Sagittarius we don't have. Other all are sign, all sign are present here. Okay, so here we have Aquarius also. Yes, specifically if you will say, we have Cancer, Scorpio, Aries, Leo, and we do have Aquarius. These are the signs. Okay, so let's start your reading. So first of all, I will tell you about this bottom of the deck. This is Five of Swords. So right now so there is something going on in your love life. What it is actually, this is a ego battle. So right now you are dealing with somebody who is very egoistic, and they don't want to get settled down with you basically. Okay, and you actually don't come on the same ground, and because of their own ego, so it makes your headache basically. It made like headache for you. So right now you don't want to deal with this, and because you had some emotions with this person, but right now you want to get detached with them, because here we have the Moon. You know that this person will not change for you basically, and this person is not with whom you can deal with. Okay, so right now you are in a very traumatic situation, emotional trauma, and you're thinking about these things. Actually you thought like this person will be the your future partner, and you have thought about that you will be with this person forever, but it has not worked out like that you have imagined for. But right now you are in a very emotional trauma situation. I can see that this person is still juggling between you and somebody else actually. Two of Pentacles. So this person is still thinking you as an option, but I can see that your energy is totally detached from this person right now, but this person is still in very like they want to connect with you, but you're not giving them any chance right now, because you have already moved on from their bullshits. Okay, so you already moved on. You are not going to deal with them right now, because you want a peaceful life in future for you, not the life they have given to you before. Okay, so right now your heart chakra is closed for this person. You don't show the emotions to this person right now. Okay, as I told you that your heart chakra is closed, this Four of Pentacles is showing the same thing. So here we have that you are closed off with this person. This person wants to talk to you, but you are not talking to them, You are even actually giving them a face like you don't even want to deal with anything about them. Even sometimes I can see that for some people this is a work situation, and some people are connected in a work situation with you basically. So it can be a Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, or strong earth sign person. Okay, so this person is in very greedy. I would not say greedy basically, or it's a proudy kind of person. It's egoistic type of person. I can see this kind of feelings I am getting from this person. So right now you are detached with this person, because here we have that detachment card also, and you are free to do, because you are now in power basically, and you know what to do with your life. Okay, so right now you want to take a leap of faith, and you don't want to be with this person anymore. And I think that you want to explore the world. Okay, you want to explore the world. I am hearing that explore the world, like that. So you are going to explore the world now, and you know that you have some special qualities that most of the people don't have. So here the full energy is taking you in a new ways and new pathways basically, with no burdens, nothing else. So you have already dropped the burdens, and you have started with zero, and that's a new start basically. Okay, that's the new start, and the new start has come because you have been transformed. The transformation, that's your card. Maybe you are dealing with a Scorpio, or maybe Aries. Okay, so you are dealing with a Scorpio, or Scorpio in their chart. So I can see that there is a new beginning, because there is some ending. So you already closed this chapter now, and you have healed yourself, and now I can see that you are very serious about your life, and you are creating a new beginning for you, because all old ways are not working for you. Now new you has come out. Okay, so this new you is, I like it very much, because this is the Chariot card. Okay, so this new you is very powerful, and people afraid of this person. This new you is very fast, and who is victorious basically, and you are going out for victory only. You have determination, you have everything to do, you have potentials. So I can see that you are going to be victorious whatever you will do. I think most of the people, as in Scorpio, I am also Scorpio moon, so I can see that most of the people are uh, doing very good in their career right now. Okay, the Chariot. So maybe some Leo, or maybe a Cancer you are dealing with right now. Okay, maybe a Leo is coming into your life. So the Strength card is the same thing it's telling about. Or maybe I think that you will be stronger and stronger and stronger in this period of time. Okay, so the Strength card is showing that whatever you are doing right now will make you stronger. Okay, so if people jealous of you, if people try to hurt you, that's because they are jealous, and they don't want you to be successful basically. Okay, but I think whatever you are doing, don't stop, don't stop, because you will be victorious. Even they will be feeling like that. Earlier they will be thinking like, okay, something is doing, this Scorpio is doing something. Okay, 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 but right now they are kind of jealous, because you are doing better than them. Okay, so here we have Six of Cups. So you have some good memories also, and I think it is something connected to your past. Maybe your past is coming back, not that person you are dealing right away, but someone who is belongs to your past. Maybe it's your friend, or some close friend or something, or the person who wanted to be with you before, but you thought that this person will not be the person for you are looking for. Okay, so right now I think somebody is coming towards you, and this person is related to your past, but maybe they will message you or something. That will be a any casual conversation, nothing else. Okay, but this person will be having that in mind, that something can be started with the Scorpio. Okay, so that's the thing. So I think that you are showing that this person, and maybe other people also, that you are a king of swords now, and you are not dealing with any emotions right now, and you are very logical, you are very practical person right now, and you don't deal with bull BS. Okay, so you are not dealing with any person who is not serious about the relationship. So right now you're showing your cold side to everybody. Okay, let's see what is the outcome for you. Three of swords, wow, and two of wands. So I can see that you are actually want to travel to some places which is very far, or maybe a foreign place or something. You want to travel due to your career or something. I can see most of the people, and I can see that some people or some specific person, I will tell you, some specific person will be heartbroken because of that. Or for some people of Scorpio, I can see that you will break somebody's heart, maybe that person, okay, who is in a ego battle with you. So you will break their heart, you will tell them you have never loved this person. You will tell them something harsh to them, and that will break their heart. Okay, so let's see what is Queen of Moon Oracle is saying here. The path and the boundaries. So you have some boundaries, okay, and keep the boundaries, okay, because some people are energy eaters, so don't let them inside. Just keep your boundaries up for those people, but just don't let your boundaries to stop those positive energies as well. Okay, just keep in mind that also. So path is there, path is already has been set, as two of wand is there. That means, oh, two of cups is there. That means some new love or true love is coming for you. That's a soulmate card, man. So maybe after traveling to some place, maybe I see like Texas, US, or Canada, maybe these kind of places. Maybe you are traveling, most of you are traveling, or some of you are traveling. So the path has already been set for you, and you will be soon going to that place. Okay, so this was your reading, Scorpio. Please like, share, and subscribe my channel, King of Cups Tarot. And if you like to book a personal reading with me, you can email me. Email ID is given in the description box. Thank you for watching.